with you telling me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Salena. I'm 20 years old and I am a model, actress, and singer. I have two boxers named Nani and Taffy. I play a variety of instruments, including the ukulele, and I work in the Walmart Automotive Center, so I know a little bit about cars.
What made you decide to work with Alicia on VIP Ignite?
So I was going through a rough patch, and I felt like I wasn't doing enough to get to where I wanted to be, and it was like God sent me a message and showed VIP on my phone screen. I was like, God's sending me a message right now, and I should take this and just go with it. And here I am now, following my dreams a little bit at a time.
What has been the biggest obstacle that VIP Ignite has helped you overcome?
I would say mindset lessons, like knowing that I'm good enough, and if I put the forth and the effort into doing what I want, I can most definitely get where I need to be.
And if someone were on the fence about coming to one of these events, what would you tell them?
If someone was on the fence about coming to VIP Ignite, I would tell them to do it because it's worth it, and then you'll most definitely learn some new things, and you will get the best out of your money, meet new people, have a family now, and then the opportunities come your way left and right.